Hi, to enable double tap to wake on your Honor Magic 7 Lite, all you have to do is to find and open Settings, and in Settings, find this tab Accessibility Features. After that, in this list, choose Shortcuts and Gestures, and go in Wake Screen. And now you'll see this feature double tap to wake. So to enable, just tap on the switcher and it will light up blue. Here you can also swipe left to check how this feature works. So just tap the screen twice to turn it on. Let's try this out. I'm gonna double tap. And yeah, it's working. Now if you would like to disable this one, just go back in the same setting and tap on the switcher so it will become gray. And also we got here this feature raise to wake. So you can raise your device to turn on the screen. But if you're a type of person who are working with phone in hands, then your screen can turn on automatically from time to time and it could drain battery. So just decide yourself whether you want to turn it on or off. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.